Welcome students. This is first video on Civics Chapter 3, the government. In this video we will learn about government, need for government and levels of government. Now, government. Government is an important and an essential component of the country. So, government is very important and is very much essential component or a part of country. A government is an institution that makes political decisions to run a country. Now, what is government? Government is an institution which makes political decisions to run the country. Okay, it also refers to a group of people who form different laws and takes various decisions in order to run a country. Every country needs a government to run the country according to some laws. Okay, so government is needed by every country in order to run the country according to laws. Government are of various types, but all of them play an important role in the governance of the country. Government can be of various types. There can be democratic government, authoritarian government, but all these government, they play a very important role in governance of the country or in governing the country. Need for government. Now, why do we need this government? Government has a number of functions to perform. See, there are a number of functions which the government performs, and these functions outline the need for government. And because of the functions it performs, the government is needed by the country, or it becomes very important for the country. Now, the functions performed by the government include to maintain law and order in the country. The main or the foremost function of the government is to maintain law and order in the country. To make provisions for services like roadways, electricity, railways, drinking water, health and sanitation. So it is also the function of duty to provide various services to the people like roadways, railways, electricity, drinking water, health and sanitation. Another function of government is to provide registration of births and deaths, marriages, etc. So, it is also the function of government to register the births, deaths and also marriages. To defend the country against foreign aggression. Another important function is to defend the country, protect the country from foreign aggression or invasion. To protect unity and integrity of the country. Then, government also protects the unity and integrity of the country. To provide for the welfare of the people and make provisions for essential services whenever required. Now, Levels of government. See, government in any country functions at several levels. Okay, in our country, the government functions at national level, state level, and also at local level. Now, let us look at what is the difference between these levels. National level. The national level government looks after the entire country. Okay. So, it looks after the entire country, whole country. State level, it means the government of the individual state like Haryana government, Punjab government, Rajasthan government. Okay, government of individual states. The state level government looks after the state level administration only. So it is concerned about the administration of that particular state only. Whereas national level government, it has to look after the administration of the whole country. Local level. It is the government of the village or the town where you live. So, local level, it is the third level of government. It is the government of the village or the town or city where you live. It looks after the problems at the local level. So, what is its work? It looks after the problem at local level, okay, of the people of that particular locality or area.